Hello everyone, this is Ren with Canyon Professional Development, and welcome back to another video within the College Knowledge STEM Edition series. We will be doing a mini-series about Arduino. This mini-series will be broken into 4 parts. In this video, we will talk about what Arduino is and how it is used. In this series, we will also go over projects based around elementary to high school skill sets. Now, what even is Arduino? Arduino is a circuit board that is used to teach the basic concepts of hardware and how circuits work. Not only does it teach about the concepts of hardware, it also teaches about basic coding and how different software affects a project. It allows students to create hands-on builds with circuits while also learning how to code and the circuit to do what they want. Arduino has the ability to make an endless amount of projects and is super easy to obtain and relatively inexpensive considering other forms of circuits to work with. Some example projects are creating working LED lights that respond to noise, an automatic trash can lid, an automatic Nerf gun, and so much more. To understand Arduino, you need to understand its basic mechanics and how a circuit works. First, an Arduino, or any form of circuit, needs an energy source to even turn on and function like it should. An Arduino can get power from a battery or from being plugged into a computer. 2. It needs a load. A load is something that performs a function, such as an LED. Hint, this will be coming up in one of our upcoming videos, so make sure you are subscribed to see the actual build we'll be doing. 3. Wires are super important to Arduino, because that is how everything is connected and electricity continues to flow from the energy source to the load. Now it is super important to know how to install Arduino and its software. You're not just building the circuit, there's software that goes into it. Now, first, you're going to need to go to the Arduino website. It'll be linked down below for you guys. And you need to look for the actual software made for your computer to download. Once that is downloaded, it's going to look like a code sheet for you, and it gives you the opportunity to have a blank slate and to work on coding yourself. No matter if you're new or not, there are so many different projects to be doing online, and then we'll also be walking you through projects as well. And once the software is downloaded, start to mess around with Arduino. You may not be a pro at Arduinos yet, but by the end of this series, you'll be much more confident. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope it was helpful. Make sure to follow and subscribe to our socials to stay up to date for more free PD.